Hey sparkly peoples of the interwebs, welcome to my crafting coven, where we conjure the spirit of Halloween through arts and crafts. Today I'm just going to be working on my spooky cute coffee bar. I've wanted a new coffee bar for a while. I made an old one. I have a video somewhere. I think I have a video here, maybe not. I made an old one that we took a old changing table that was my son's and then my daughter's and made it into a small little tiny coffee bar for me. But now I have so many mugs and everything, I just wanted a bigger space for my coffee area and decorations and stuff like that. And so my husband nabbed this for me from a family member, and they were getting rid of it. He's like, do you want this? I was like, oh yeah, that'd be so cute. And he's like, this would be perfect for your new coffee bar. And I was like, yes, this is it. Let's just do this. So here it is. Okay, so I'm going to be painting this today. Please ignore my background. This is my carport and it's a mess right now because we've been painting the inside in my kitchen. My kitchen was this color, and I started painting it this to match my kitchen cabinets that we just started painting it. Well, we finished painting our kitchen, and I don't like it. So we're going to be picking out this color I picked out over here, painting that, and hopefully I like it. And if I don't like it, I guess I can just go get more paint. We'll see. That's what it looks like with a couple coats and a loud fan. Hopefully do another coat and let it dry for a little bit and do another coat. thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you enjoyed that. I don't do a whole lot of the classic spooky stuff. Like, I like the classic spooky stuff, but I don't like the gory stuff. I can't handle it. But I also been really enjoying like the spooky cute stuff lately, like the pastel pinks and mints, and obviously my channel, you can see that I like the light colors lately. So that's what I'm going for right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because it would make me oh so happy. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!